Hi guys, you're looking at a BMW F10 5 Series. This unit that you see here is a 2011 523i local spec. Alright, so what does that mean? So this is the one of the very last BMW 5 Series to come with a naturally aspirated inline 6 engine, because in 2011, yeah, in 2012 actually, BMW switched the F10 5 Series to the 2-liter turbos. That's when you had the 520i and the 528i 2.0. All right, so this was the very last inline 6 5 series, inline 6 naturally aspirated 5 series that BMW made. Okay, I remember testing this car when it first came out. All right, that time BMW initially launched the F10 in Malaysia with the 535, all right, at 600,000, and this at, I think, what, 300 plus thousand ringgit. So yeah, amongst the early takers of the 5 series, this was the 523 was the one that most went for. Okay, and you can see spec wise, so if you compare to today's 5 series, the 523 is admittedly a little basic, right? It gets the smallest rims, and somehow I always looked at these 17-inch wheels. They always seem to me like a bit of a low spec rim lah. But overall, but that aside, right, condition of this car is great. Okay, I've seen this car here at Wearnes for a couple of weeks now. Okay, and I saw this car in the paint shop. They have really the Wearnes team have thoroughly touched up and repaired this car. So yeah. So the paint work, all right, it looks pristine, looks superb, and yeah, of course, Wearnes here being a former BMW dealership, this car's paint is restored to original BMW standards. Okay, so as you can see, the interior here is in excellent condition. Well, the one thing that you have to watch out for when you buy an F10 or an F30, check the inner door handles, see that see whether is it melting or not. Okay, this one a bit sticky on this one, okay, but not too bad. The rest of the upholstery and trim are all in good condition. You got sunshade here, okay, and armrest. All right, mechanism still feels, wow, this feels solid. Actually, this car does feel solid. Same kind we said on my E39, right? Wow, got rear climate control, not bad. All right. I mean, rear air con vents is standard as per expectations of this segment, but rear climate control, not always given, okay. Oh, and you've got rear sunshades. Okay, rear sunshades. Got these up, and this one's. This sunshade in my E39 is broken, so I hope I hope the ones here in the F10 are of a better quality. Okay, all right. Now we come to the front. Now the one downside of the 523, no keyless entry. All right, but you still get an engine start-stop button. This interior looks in great condition. All right, right. Everything here is in order. Okay, got a bit of scratching here on the electronic hand parking brake switch. Okay, this cup holder mechanism is in good order. Button tactile feel still feels good. Okay, dashboard still feels rather solid. Okay, of course, if you park this next to a new G30, right, this is starting to feel its age, but it's all right. Okay, yeah, got a USB port here at the back, 12-volt socket. Remember, this car came out at a time when USB ports are not what you call it, are not common fitment in cars. So to get even one is damn good already. Okay, wow, this is deep, man, history. Okay, let's open up the engine bay. Okay, so here you have it, the engine room of the 2.5 liter N52 engine. Okay, so Malaysia is one of a select few markets around the world to ever receive the 5 series with this 2.5 liter N52, because at that time BMW in other markets offered the F10 with the 3 liter N53 engine, All right, for the 523 and 52, they just set the engines to different states of tune. So if you had bought a UK spec 523i from this model years, your car would have come with a 3-liter engine instead of this 2.5 here. And do bear in mind, parallel imported versions of the F10s, they are not tropicalized for our climate. This one is. Okay, so this unit here, I am told, has under 72,000 kilometers on the odometer, priced at 108,800 ringgit. A little on the high side, okay, because right now, right, the 523s are going on Muda at what? 80,000, 90,000 ringgit. But do bear in mind that an 80,000 or 90,000 ringgit F10 is going to easily need probably another 10k thereabouts to fix up and to service, fix up and all that. So this car is, I am fairly certain, it's in buy and drive condition. So of course, I do think there is room to nego from this price, right? So bring it down a bit, and if you can get it to maybe about 100 to 105, and with assurances that this car has nothing to fix, and if you really want one of these last 6-cylinder naturally aspirated 5 series, then yeah, this car can consider for its condition.